Hi, my name is Andrea Cornejo Sanchez. I am 20 years old. I'm Peruvian and I'm majoring in Biomedical Sciences, and I'm transferring into a four-year-old university in neuroscience. For me, Atlantic Cape has been a really good experience. I get to do a lot of friendships. I get to know a lot of good people, the professors, the staff, and just the students in general. They all helped me to build what I am right now, and I'm really grateful for that. For me, graduating is a new step in my life, and it's something that I'm gonna carry with me for all my life. Atlantic Cape has been really good with me, and as an immigrant, it's mostly a place where it's not only school, it's also a second home where I know that I can go and that welcoming people will be there to just hand me if I need anything.